on the bell. Once the bell is clicked, you will get all notifications. Thank you. Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you a vegetarian dish and it's very tasty and very delicious. I'm going to make today Baingan Shakarkandi Sabzi. It's a Chinese eggplant, 4 of these, 1 jumbo size sweet potato, 2 tomatoes, 1 onion, cilantro as needed, 1 tablespoon tomato sauce, ginger, garlic and green chili paste, 1 teaspoon. Olive oil for our tadka, coriander powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin seed, salt, garam masala. Each one of them 1 teaspoon. And let's get started. The large one like this, I'm going to make like 1, 2, 3, 4 cut. On this one, like 3 cut. 1 here, 1 right there. We're going to keep like 2 inches long. Cut it right in the middle. Then we're going to lay out this way. Then I'm going to cut it like this. And we're going to cut thin slices like fries. Just like this. This is perfect. I have a cold water ready. Place the eggplants in there. The reason being, they won't get discolored. So I'm going to finish up cutting like this. This is perfect. As for sweet potato, I'm going to peel it and cut into the same size. And I'll finish up all these eggplants same way. Eggplants are cut into thin slices and it's soaked in the water. And this is, I'm going to keep it like, as we did the same size, like 1 to 2 inches. Cut right in there, in the middle. And I'm going to make the smaller, like a fries. The more thinner and the smaller, it's going to taste better and it will be crunchier. About this size. I'm going to finish up cutting this the same way and submerge into cold water. Eggplants and sweet potatoes are cut in thin slices and soaked into cold water so they don't get discolored. Onion, tomato, cilantro is cut and let's start making our delicious sabzi. Get a fry pan and start gas and we're going to keep gas on high. I'll bring 1 tablespoon olive oil. You can use any vegetable oil. I'll bring cumin seed. We're going to cook like 10 seconds. This is good. Ginger, garlic, green chili paste, 1 teaspoon. Get our screen splatter right on top of it because it's going to spray out. So we're going to cook like 20 seconds. This is looking good. Now I'm going to bring onion. Mix it well and we're going to saute our onion. I'll use my screen splatter. Cooking our onion for 2 minutes. This is how it looks. Cooking our onion for 4 minutes. They are nicely translucent. Bring the gas to medium. Bring the tomato. Mix it. Once it's nicely combined, I'll bring all the spices. Coriander powder, cumin powder, red chili powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, salt, and we're going to mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, we're going to spread it evenly. On medium gas, cover with the lid and we're going to cook for 3 minutes. Cooking for 3 minutes, I'm going to turn the fan on. I'll open it. Our tadka is nicely done and if you look at our tomatoes, they are tender so we can mash it. And now I'm going to bring 1 tablespoon tomato sauce. Mix it well. Cooking for half a minute. Now I'm going to bring the vegetable. I drained the water and all the vegetable is ready. And with our tadka, we're going to mix it well. So we go down at the bottom and we're going to keep bringing and keep mixing with tadka. Eggplant, sweet potatoes are nicely combined with our tadka. Now on a medium gas, we're going to cook for 5 minutes. I'm going to cover with the lid. Cooking for 5 minutes. I'm going to open the lid. And we're going to mix it. After mixing it well, we're going to spread it evenly and we're going to give additional 5 minutes on medium gas. Another 5 minutes of cooking with the closed lid. I'm going to turn the fan on. We're going to mix it. If we look at the sweet potatoes, they are nicely done. Eggplants, they are a little firm. When you are cooking eggplants with sweet potatoes, you want sweet potatoes to stay firm. If they get too mushy, then they don't taste well. At this moment, the eggplants need more cooking. So after mixing it well, bring good amount of cilantro. I'll bring gas to medium-low, which is number 3, and we're going to cover with the lid and I'll cook it for additional 3 minutes. On medium-low gas, cooking for 3 minutes. I'll open it. We're going to mix it. Wow, it's looking really nice. All the eggplant is nicely done now. After mixing it well, our dish is ready. I'm going to turn off the gas and I'm going to dish out. I have my serving bowl ready. Look at this. So tasty and so delicious. And let me share with you. Very tasty and delicious sabzi. Eggplant. Baingan Shakarkandi Sabzi. Please try it and you're going to like it. Please let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. And like always, please like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.